Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Paultre. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications so you could see more of these beautiful videos. Make sure you subscribe. Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Paultre. Today we have a vegetarian pasta. It's gluten-free pasta. We got the artichoke heart, we got the corn, and we got pesto, we got Parmesan cheese, eggs, and last but not least we got the vegetable stocks. So basically, the first thing to do, I put some oil to heat up, and I drop my artichoke. Make sure I let that heat. I drop my corn. Also some little parsley to give it some color. And my spatula to stir it up. This is my pesto. I stir it up. And I'm about to cut my eggs. Sure you always stir it up. And add a little cheese. Stir it up again. You add your pasta. Keep stirring. Keep stirring it. This is the vegetable stocks. Alright, so basically I added my stock, added a little cheese, and my product is finished. So I'll let it sit, and I'm gonna be ready to plate it. So you guys, let's start the plating. C'est bon. La nourriture est prête. Voilà,